Good morning to students. Today we are going to discuss the compound word of the fourth chapter. Of 10th standard, compound words. Okay. So here they had given some line from the text before entering to the topic compound word. What is compound word? Compound word means two words. Okay, the combination of the 8 parts of speech. What are the 8 parts of speech are there? Noun, verb, adverb, pronoun, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So there are 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, adverb, pronoun, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is a naming word, verb is a action word, adverb is adds meaning to the verb, and pronoun. Instead of avoid the repetition of the noun, we will use pronoun. Adjective describes the noun, and preposition shows the position of the noun. Conjunction, it is joined two words or sentence, and interjection it express a sudden feeling or emotion. You all already know what are the different parts of speech and what are the uses of the different parts of speech. And one more thing, for the compound word we have to know about gerund. Gerund is a new word, it's not included in the parts of speech, it's there. Compound gerund, it means verb plus ing. If there is a action, if you add ing with the action word, then it will become a gerund. Okay, so these are the things you have to know what are the before learning the compound words. So what are the different parts of speech are there? 8 parts of speech are there: noun, verb, adverb, pronoun, adjective, preposition, and the conjunction. When we add ing with the verb, then it will change into gerund. Okay. So here in our book they had given some line which is from the text. Let us read that, then we will understand the better. Okay. Read this sentence. Beyond the iron gate were the playing field and the two storied school building. Two storied school buildings. The owner of the tea shop, now over 60 and little rustic in appearance, with a white neatly combed hair and clean look, and was same as before. His nerves seems overthought for some reason. The words which is given in the italic in the compound are compound words. So the words two-storied, neatly combed, overwrought. All these are the compound words. The compound words is a combination of the two or more words that functions as a single unit of meaning. So these two words, school boy, English teacher, school boy, school boy. So school is one noun and the boy is another one. Two words, it gives a one unit of meaning. School boy, school pora paiyan. So it's giving one unit of meaning. These words are called compound words. Okay, see. Complete the following table with 2 more compound words. So it's a combination of the parts of speech. By using that, how we have to find the compound words. Okay. See here they had given noun plus noun. Noun plus noun. Okay. Noun is a naming word. We have to combine 2 naming words. So they had given kitchen garden. So as I said, we can write Max teacher or postman. Max is a noun and teacher is a noun. So we have 2 noun plus noun. One more. They ask us to find 2, no? Tablespoon. Tablespoon. Table is a noun and spoon is also noun. So it give this two different words gives one meaningful unit, that is a compound word. Okay. Next what they had given, noun plus verb. Noun plus verb. Noun is a naming word and verb is a action word. So we have to combine this both. Sun is a noun and sunset. Set is a verb. So sunset. One more, we can write sunrise, anything. Pen, stand. Pen one noun and stand is a verb. So pen, stand. And the third one, noun, verb plus noun. Verb plus noun. Action word, then one naming word. So watchman they had given. So we will write playground. Play is a verb, ground is a noun. And call taxi. Call is a verb and taxi is a noun. What's the next one? Preposition plus noun. There they had given overcoat. So we will write inbox. Inbox. In is a position and box is a noun. Next, inpatient, outpatient, we can write anything. Upstream, downstream, underground, underworld. Okay. Next, gerund plus noun. Gerund, I already told you, gerund is verb plus ing, we called it as a gerund. So gerund plus noun. Gerund, they had given the example bleaching powder. We will write washing machine. Washing, wash ing. So wash is a verb and ing it's a gerund. Washing machine. Another one, dining hall. Okay. Next they had given noun plus gerund. Noun plus gerund. What is noun? Noun is a naming word and gerund is a verb plus ing. They had given housekeeping. So we will write one noun, bird. Watching, bird watching. Air conditioning. Otherwise babysitting. So many examples are there. Okay. Next, third they had given last adjective plus preposition plus noun. Adjective plus preposition plus noun. So what is the example they had given there? Good for nothing. Adjective is good and for is a preposition, nothing is a noun. So we will write lack of food. Another one, free of cost or free of dust. Anything we can write. Free of cost. Next, noun, preposition plus noun. Noun, preposition plus noun. Their mother-in-law they had given. We will write father-in-law, sister-in-law, line by line, day to day. Okay. I hope you understand. So, before for knowing this topic compound word, we want to know about the different parts of speech and what are the different parts of speech, what is the usage of different parts of speech. First we have to know, then only we can easily we can find out what combination of compound word is there, and even we can give the make a word for the pattern which is given there. Okay. So this the D next I hope you had understand and you can copy down in your book. Next, combine the word in the column A with the column B to form the compound word as many as you can. So, this next section they had given us a match the following. If you go for the 11th standard, the first topic itself you are going to learn the compound word. So here if you learn here in 10th standard, if you have studied well how to frame the compound word and what are the combinations are there, if you are learn here, then there is no need you have to go to 11th standard and study this again. Okay. The column A they had given, see, first we will fill the column A. And answer we will write there. Okay. The first one is rain. Okay. So, snow, rain, snow, star, draw, play, lottery, under, man, side, foot. Here light, think, fall, ball, back, ticket, walk, note, world, whole. So, we have to match and find the correct compound word. Okay. So, the first one snow, first one rain, rain, fall. Next snow, snow we can write, what will, snow ball. Next star, star we will write starlight. Okay. Next the fourth one they had given draw. For draw we will write drawback. Draw back. What is the fifth one? Play. Play. For play we will write plaything. And the sixth one, lottery. Lottery ticket. Underworld. Next man, manhole. Side, sidewalk. Footnote. Okay, so this is how we have to find the compound word. Okay. The next they had given form a compound word from the boxes given below and filling the blanks with the sentence that follows with the appropriate compound word. So they had given some words in the box. We have to do two things. First we have to find the compound word, then we have to fill the blanks which is given below with the appropriate compound words. Okay, we will do. So the first Shiva visited the hairstylist to have a clean dash. So hairstylist, we will go to hairstylist for haircut. So hair is there as well as cut is there. So the first answer is haircut. Haircut. Okay. Next, the second one. Tarini had given the sari for dash. So where for what purpose we will give the sari? For dry cleaning. Second one is dry cleaning. Third one. The dash is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. Which is the natural process? Greenhouse. Greenhouse. Okay. Next. Never wait for the dash to wake up. So never wake. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. The children were late to school as there was a dash near the Toll Plaza. So it is a traffic jam. The government expects every individual to promptly pay the income tax. Income tax. The people usually wear dash during summer. What they will wear? Sunglasses. Sunglasses. The patients were asking to sit in dash until the doctor arrived. Waiting room. With the teamwork, we were able to multiply our output. Next. The room was looking bright with the colorful. Only one thing is remaining, that is wallpaper. Okay. So copy down in your book. This is of the chapter 4, compound word. Page number 100 and 101. Okay, thank you students. The next chapter we will discuss later. You copy down and find any 10 compound words of your own, and you have to find out what is the pattern which is given there. Okay, thank you my dear students.